Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are well. Today again we will continue chapter 6, Paint. Uh, Previously you have completed up to page number 57, Closing Paint Window. Next, today we will learn from page number 58, Opening the Saved Picture. So let's start. Follow the steps to open the picture. Number 1. Open Paint by clicking on Start, Windows, Accessories, then Paint. First we have to click on Start, then we have to go to Windows Accessories, then from there we have to choose Paint. Here steps are given. You have to follow this. Next, Number 2, click on the File tab and select the Open option. Then you have to click on File tab and then you have to select Open option. Step number 2. And the next number 3, the Open window will appear. Number 4, select the location where the file is saved. Where you have saved the file, you have to select the location. Number 5, select the name of the file from the list. Click on the Open button. Your picture will appear. You have to click on Open button and your picture will appear. See, step number 3, 4, 5 is given over here. Next, page number 59. Step number 6 is also given here. Now, editing the existing picture. Selecting the picture. Before making the changes in the picture, we need to select it. Follow these steps to select the existing picture. Number 1, click on the Select tool in the Images group. Number 2, click on Rectangular selection from the menu that appears. Step number 1 and 2 you can see over here. Number 3, click and hold the left mouse button, drag it around the picture to select. Up to this much is clear. Go to next page. Page number 60. Number 4, release the mouse button once the picture is selected. Here step number 3 is given. Now resizing the picture. We can resize the picture by increasing or decreasing its size vertically or horizontally. How we can resize the picture? By increasing or decreasing its size vertically or horizontally. You have to follow the steps. Follow the steps to do so. Select the picture using Select tool. Number 2, click on the corner of the boundary. You will see a resizing handle. Number 3, hold the left mouse button. Drag the handle outward to increase the picture's size. Step number 1, 2 and 3. So, go to next page, page number 61. Here also, the step C, you selected option and then the sizes. Now, number 4, drag the handle inward to decrease the picture's size. Step number 4. And see, you can see the desired pictures. Now go to next page. Page number 62. Here we come to the end of the chapter. We have learnt fully. Now we will see the computer etiquette. Always save your work and close down the window after you have finished your work. Okay? You all will learn this tech terms. Minimize to reduce something, maximize to increase something, resize to change the existing size, drag to make something move. Quick recall also. We use paint to draw and color pictures on computer. Line tool is used to make a line. Curve tool is used to make a curved line. Oval tool is used to make an oval or a circle. Rectangle tool is used to make a rectangle and a square. We can fill color in a closed figure using fill with color tool. We need to save our work to see or use it later. Once a file has been saved, it can be opened again. The paint or window can be minimized and maximized. We can also edit the existing picture in Paint. So, to recall quickly, we can learn this one. We will get the clear conception. So all of you learn this chapter nicely and do the exercises also which is given in the Vasham. All of you stay safe and healthy.